Hello and welcome to another one of our weather videos, but today we will be looking at how we are having tons of severe storms which are getting out of hand. But first, if we look at the severe storm outlook, you can see that we have a small risk around here in the south and up here by Seattle. Then tomorrow we have this more spread out area in the south and it moving a bit eastward. And then by Tuesday we have this giant area all along the southern east coast with an even more severe section of storms down here in the way south. Next, if you look at the weather radar, you can see that we have a few storms down in Louisiana right now with a bunch of spread out rain. Then we also have some scattered snow all across the north. Then, if we go into Monday morning, you can see that we'll have some very severe storms all around here, especially down here by Tennessee. And then we'll still have that scattered snow. Then, if we have it keep going, it'll just turn into a bunch of spread out rain combining with the snow system. Then, if we keep going, it spreads out into the ocean until suddenly by December 11th, we'll have this giant problem with very severe storms all across the south, which will cause humongous problems. And then, even by the afternoon on December 11th, we'll have this giant storm spread out area, but the northern jet stream will come in with it, leaving the snow right behind it. Also, if we look at the rainfall forecast over the next 3 days, you can see that most of the East Coast is getting 2 to 4 inches of rain, which may not sound a lot, but this is enough to start a few flash floods. Then we'll also have some scattered rain across the US, but we're mainly focusing on all this rain over here in the east. Next, if we look at the fuel for these storms, you can see that this Gulf of Mexico jet stream is bringing in tons of warm, moist air, bringing in our first system of storms up to the north. But then by Thursday, we'll be having this giant cold system moving in from Canada, bringing in very severe storms, even worse than the ones that we'll be getting tomorrow. Also, looking into the future, we currently have this giant area of low pressure up by Alaska, which is soon going to make its way down to the west coast. And then by next Saturday, we'll be having tons of storms along the coast of California and mainly just the Pacific coast. Finally, looking at the snowfall forecast, you can see that we actually won't be getting that much snow anymore, with only 8 inches up here in New England along the Great Lakes and pretty much everywhere as the max amount of snow.